Alright, I've been working on trying to figure out why my Numark PT01 scratch turntable is buzzing. I barely use this thing. There's no videos about it on YouTube about it buzzing. I found a forum, which is right here, and it has this thing, but that doesn't look the same. That's like a white, this is like a white version, so whatever. Just from my knowledge with turntables is pretty basic. The buzzing was the grounding issue. So first you unplug it, obviously, then you take all the plug out of all the Phillips screws out. Make sure to use a perfectly fit screwdriver, because if you use a little one, you will wear out the screws or whatever. So you want to make sure that you fit right. And inside of here, there's a whole bunch of fun stuff. I could care less about this turntable. It's fun to have as a portable. It's not a Techniques, so I would not treat my Techniques like this. But basically, right here, that is the ground. And the ground was right here. And I took the screw out, pulled the ground out, and I'm wedging it right into this part right here, which is where the USB is, and I'm wedging it in there real tight. And I'm going to take this electric tape and I'm going to put it on top so it doesn't get loose. Over time. There we go. A little something like that. A little jerry rig there. And then I'm going to close it back up, and I'm going to put the screws back in. And I already tried it and it works, so hope this helps. Thanks. All right, so we're at round 2 and I'm just about had it with this thing. So you guys already know what I did. Remember to make sure it's unplugged. That's most important. And this right here, you guys already saw that I took the ground out of the screw and I put it into here. And I got the tape holding it, and I am just unplugging these. You know what? And if it stops me from whatever, I think it's part of the USB part right here, so I won't be able to use that. So whatever, I could care less. I just want to be able to like play records and scratch with this turntable. So if I don't know what the outcome is going to be, but ultimately I know that I've stopped the buzzing and the ground is fixed. So that's just me troubleshooting the issues. Thanks for watching.